Hey boys and girls, this is your boy Devi and I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel again. And for those of you who have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I bring out almost every day in my crypto world. So guys, this is an update on BNB Miner. This account that I use for tutorials has clocked 5.278 billion miners. And remember, I started this account with just 30 million miners. So all I've been doing recently is I've been following the hyper compounding and also compounding every day. So actually there are two ways to grow your account in BNB Miner. Remember that it is more important here to grow your number of miners, because it is these miners that work for you every day. They mine for your BNB, and the BNB they mine is the BNB that is collected in the barrel here. So recently I just did a compounding in this account and I went to 5.2 billion miners. So guys, this is BNB Miner and it is the oldest miner on the Binance Smart Chain. Others, they come, they go, they come, they go, but BNB Miner was built to last. And for people who are following the correct strategies of hyper compounding or compounding every day, me personally, I've been using the 6-to-1 compounding strategy. I've enjoyed BNB Miner ever since it was started. So guys, for 559 days, this beast has been running strong. The clones, they come, they go, they come, they go, and others rug pull, but BNB Miner is here for us guys. So for those who want to get started, they are in the description of this video. There are links that help you, their tutorials and also other relevant information that can help you to get started. So remember, BNB Miner is not for people who want to get rich quick. Actually, even here they put it in the info here. They said that BNB Miner is designed for individuals with a long-term vision. It is not for those who want instant profits that ultimately harm others. So if you are into quick profits, BNB Miner is not for you. This thing is not for you. Find somewhere else where you'll be rug pulled, but BNB Miner is not for you. So guys, 5.2 billion miners. Now the essence of making this video is just to tell you that you can start with very low funds. Me personally, I started with 0.1 BNB in this. Oh, actually no, it was 0.05 BNB in this. Then I've been able to grow this, and now my TVL is 3.4. I remember before we had the second bull run here, I had grown my TVL to 1 BNB, but that doesn't matter, because what matters is building the number of miners here. And this is the good time to buy miners because they are cheap. Actually, let me show you here. With 0.05 BNB I started with last time. Here now I'm getting 750 million miners. And remember, I started this, and by then it was only 30 million miners. So you can see the difference. You can buy when the contract balance is low. In the contract, we had this first bull run, and then here people took profits. Many of them took profits and they went away. For us who stayed, we enjoyed the second bull run and people took profits here, and I do believe that we are gonna have a third bull run here. So the best time is to accumulate your miners now and prepare for the next bull run. So that's BNB Miner. The contract balance is healthy, as you can see. It is at 3,151 BNB, which is approximately 898,206 US dollars, which is good. Yeah, so guys, for those of you who want to get started in BNB Miner, all you need to know is that we have a feature which is called hyper compounding. We have people here who are compounding every 30 minutes or every hour, depending on your strategy. Very many people have different strategy. So the more you compound, the more your number of miners will grow, and the more the contract will reward you with BNB, or you'll get a higher percentage every day. So, and the more you take out money out of BNB, the more the contract will punish you. If you take out today, you take out tomorrow, you take out on the next day, the contract will punish you by decreasing your daily percentage, and you'll earn a small percentage because you're taking out too much from the contract. So that's why we follow the hyper compounding strategy, or the 6-to-1 compounding strategy. So guys, basically that's an update I wanted to tell you about BNB Miner. I'll see you in the next update video. For those of you who want to get started, I'm leaving the information on the link and my registration link in the description of this video. Feel free to click on it and see how to get started. And there is also the Telegram group. I'm leaving the information of that Telegram group as well. Join it and you will be helped there. So that's it guys. I'll see you in the next update video about BNB Miner.